I've already introduced user-defined functions, and I developed a mathematical function. In this session, I further continue developing functions. As you may remember, functions start with def, followed by a function name, and then parentheses, including the variables, or in this example, no variables, colon, and next line indented, and the command for function. In this example, kangaroo has pouch. And when I run the code, no output comes here. No command is executed inside a function. To execute the command, the function needs to be called after all. For this example, I call it function name, and then run the code. You see the output now. This example didn't include any variable. Let's start with developing a function including a variable. I call the variable animal. And here I say animal plus has pouch. And then when I call the function, I put the variable as kangaroo. And I want to call it more than one time, the function more than one time. And this time, second time, I want the variable to be koala. And the third time to be possum. Then run the code. And you see the outputs. And the variables, the value sits in different sentences. Function can include more than one variable as well. For example, function name, and I put animal and age. Let's say this, and then plus animal is healthy. He is, and then second variable, which is age, years old. Dot. And when I call the function, I put second variable kangaroo and first variable kangaroo and the second one too. And run the code, and you see the output. This kangaroo is the first variable, animal is healthy, he is 2 years old, and 2 sits in the age place. When we don't know number of variables, we can put star before animal, and it means that the number of variables is more than 1, but we don't know the number. For example, this animal is healthy, he is, and for the same output, so I print out. And because here the number of animals is not defined, we put for the first number 0. Index 0 means the first variable, and index 1 for the second variable. And we put animal. We don't have age anymore here. And run the code, and you see the output here. On next session, I continue working with functions that belong to objects that are called methods. Thank you.